If line CD is parallel to line AB, find the value of x and y. Line construction rules and Pythagoras' theorem are used to solve this question. Solution. Let the center of the semicircle be O. Its diameter, d equals 2 times r, which equals to line AB, the result equals to 20. After substitution of values. This implies that r equals half of d, which equals to 10 units. The result is equals to O, A, which equals to OB, as shown on the screen. This means that the radius, r, of the larger circumscribed semicircle is equals to 10 units. Label point G. Join line OG. It implies that line OG equals 6 units. This is equals to the diameter of the green small circle. Join line OC, which equals r, the radius of the semicircle. If we join line OD, COD will be an isosceles triangle. Let's consider triangle COG. Notice that line CG equals line DG. Line OG is a line bisector of line CD. This is to implies that CD equals 2 times line CG. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line OC equals the square of R, which equals the sum of the square of line OG and the square of line CG. Substitute values. We have that the square of 10 equals the sum of the square of 6 and the square of line CG. Make the square of line CG the subject of the formula. This equals to the square of 10 minus the square of 6, which equals to 64 square units. Take the square root of the equation. We have that line CG equal the square root of 64, which equals to 8 units. This implies that line CD equals 2 times line CG, which equals to 16 units. Since line OA equals R, which equals to 10 units, it implies that 10 equals to the sum of 7 and line OT, as shown the screen. It implies that line OT equals 10 minus 7, which equals to 3 units. But line OT equals line GS, which equals to 3 units. The opposite side length of a rectangle are equal. Since line CG equals to the sum of line CS and line GS, which equals to 8, it follows that line CS equals 8 minus 3, which equals to 5 units. Hence, line CS equals X, which equals to 5 units. Also, line DS is equals to Y. It means that the sum of X and Y equals line CD, which equals to 16. Make Y the subject of the formula. We have that Y equals 16 minus X. It implies that Y equals 16 minus 5, which equals to 11. Therefore, x equals 5 and y equals 11.